Okay, so we have added a customer list page and we've added a customer new edit page. Let's go try it out. If you remember to test your apps, push this little green play button. And yes, I do want to save and continue. All right, your app is running. We can go ahead and view the app in our browser. View app. Okay, and we start out on our home page. And so if we click in this area, we should go to the customer list page, yes? All right, and so there we are on our customer list page. Now we don't have any customers yet, so we need to now try out our new button, new, and we get our customer detail page. Go ahead and add yourself as a customer. Now, do you remember when we were talking about data types, and I said, if you set it up to be a date, one, you can't put an invalid date in here, right? Invalid date, so it's nice that it edits that. The other nice thing is you get this date picker that is just automatically generated for you. That's part of the low code, no code, right? You can go ahead and select a date. And then go ahead and save. And now we can see on our customer list screen, there's our very first customer. We put the customer first name and we put the phone number. Now, Hannah, when she looks at this, she says, you know, I like that, but sometimes I might have two customers with the same first name. Can we go ahead and put the first name and the last name out there? So let's go and make that other quick change. So we'll come back to here, and this is on the customer list. If we click on that first name, do you remember how we put in these parameters? And we have our curly bracket 1, which represents the first name. Go ahead and click on that edit button. And what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to add a second parameter down here. So we'll say new, and we want the last name as well. Last name, and select, and OK. And now we have curly bracket 2 represents the last name. So up here, then, this is how it shows how we want our line to be formatted. We're going to put the first name, that's our curly bracket 1. And then we're going to put a space because we want them separated by space. And then our curly bracket 2. Say OK. And say OK. All right, and let's go refresh this and try it again. And yes, we do want to save and continue. Okay, and let's go ahead and view app. And now if we click on our customers, we can now see we have the first and the last name. Go ahead at this point and add 3 more customers to your database. All right, so now you've got a little app up and running. You've got your homepage set up. You've been able to add a customer list screen and a customer NewEdit page where you can go ahead and add customers. You can change data that's out there. You can view the data, etc.